amaka garukurenga 200 agayombekirwe mu itaka rya Uganda reyirwe corporation erukushangwa omurirwe ward omu Central Division Kasese municipality obwahati bakamabago bari omukabi bwa nyuma ya Uganda reyirwe corporation kubahandikira ngo baruje omu itakere
twasanga aba tenants ne bagamba tiriya reyirwe ne tugulawo twatuna amataga gafe mu kyalo ne twesanga south tetwina je tulaga
njanga saba government end batata tule bandu kandi nitwa government eye munabwire tata ngakusaba mu 7 nabalarambera bawo abakukwemire nyuma mutulwe kusituta tuketa kabana abana bana mu masukuru situta sende twenga saba government end yetulweku irebeye
Hassan Kamuhanda omwe ombatura nagira ngo bakahebwa itakeri obhabarukaho oburwire bwesheshe ngo bombeke muzakamena ngo kandi bakabana bashashura na sente.
We held a meeting requesting Subegi to provide such services for proper hygiene so that people don't die of cholera.
They have even been sending caution letters people to vacate the area. Very unfortunate were my people. Railway came in and marked over 200 homesteads to be in their area of jurisdiction, in their land.
Abandi bagira ngo bwiroba mazuro mwanyogu government ekire kuba ne bashumbusha ngo habwo kuba bakarugura.
Nina bana nibetengo kusoma nimba ndonda school fees nimba ntina hande hinkutanisha ntanza ndonda gundo mwanya kubasa kwikara hakuba nimba ntine sente zo ngugwa.
This is government land where people have already settled, but we will also appeal to government to compensate the people because they have overstayed here for very many years. When the corporation is aware of them, let government put measures, put methods of how these people can be compensated, because some have invested here a lot of money, they have permanent buildings.
At least mutiyambe bwe mwanga muri wakutushengura mutuweke mutuwa tufune nafe ukora ki okushengukira.
Lieutenant Joel Walsimbi RDC wa district ya Kasese nagira ngo babona abaru kugira ngo bakagura itakeri nibija kwayo ebandiko ebirukurugambaho.
They will come, let them bring the document if they are authentic then, but I strongly doubt whether those who sold land had ownership over it.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.